Welcome to Miche and Christine buy an old French house, the restoration adventure. All right, hello everyone. My fault in not doing a weekly update for family and friends, but we got busy and it snowed this week, didn't it?
I got busy.
You got busy? Excuse me.
Busy petting the cat.
Yeah.
I am perfectly happy with my friend. And I think she's in happy time too. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear her. I'm wondering if the microphone is picking it up. Okay, last week we left off prepared to go to work on house 2 while looking for craftsmen to help us with the large chimney that was falling apart in the house. We thought we would build a bathroom. We would be building the bathroom in the kitchen and getting it ready to live in. But that's, it's a big but. We learned that plans need to be flexible and we have to go with what the house needs and wants. Well, our wish came true. We found some craftsmen to come and work. They're still working on our beautiful chimney, trying to restore it. Holy fudge. Wow. That's insane. That's huge. Clint and Steve came and took a look at it. They've been working hard to restore the crumbling part. First they had to stabilize and investigate it. Wow. It was worse than we thought. It was actually cracking and falling away from the exterior wall. Yeah. Wow.
That's still will be removed.
Yeah.
And there's some loose debris over there.
Yeah. For the most
Then
part.
we're going to take this out.
Yeah.
And rebuild it upstairs.
Wow. Yeah.
Yes, they were finding bottles from the 40s.
Yeah?
And
Broken?
really thick ones.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
They just cemented
They
it
just cemented it.
Yeah.
All of this also is not original, huh?
Well, it's not original.
But it was built at some
No,
point.
like I said, it's the same fireplace as you saw in Mont Saint-Michel. Just a big
cube, yeah.
Yeah.
And
An open space.
open. We've been only doing tearing down except for this and that. building up is a new concept. We got Clint and Steve here. With their hard work, and they have made it safe and are in the process of rebuilding and trying to make it look somewhat like it may have looked in its early history, but also structurally sound. Here goes Pim. So what did we do in the meantime? Nish was really lazy and didn't do anything. What did we do in the meantime while the professionals were at work in house number 2? We went back to house number 1. Mish fixed up the doors that we found behind the wall. Right?
Mm-hmm.
That door used to go through the next door neighbor's house when it was all one place. But I'll show pictures of this. It has bricks behind it. For some reason, they bricked it up in a weird way. That was a weird way to do that. They bricked it up and expanded their side, which I think is wrong. It sounds like it.
Now in English, these are the doors that we saved. So basically, I took them down, rebuilt the frame, and turned the doors around because all the nice iron is on the outside, that was on the inside. So I flipped the doors over and I fitted them into the frame again, rebuilt the frame, stuck it to the wall with big screws, so it's stuck and secure, doesn't move anymore. Now it's just sanding and cleaning it up for fixing it. Nou, dit zijn de deuren die we gered hebben. Ja. Oh ja. Oh.
So that ends our day working. Still snowing. It's very cold. And all of France is not ready for this. It's all in the news. Oh, the patisserie shop looks so nice and warm. Warm croissant with some hot chocolate sounds really good. It's a little cold and snowy. Cold and snowy. Kind of flurry. Next time we'll take a look at what we did to the floor and ceiling in house number 1 and the wall we broke through to get access to tower number 2.
Remember to like and subscribe because we need to buy food for Croissant.
Cat break. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below.
No.
And remember, sharing is caring.
No.
Thank you to the friends and family who are watching and anyone else who is new and joining us. See you next time.